Yes. Good afternoon. I hope you guys can hear me. If you can't hear me, just we have exactly 26 minutes to get started with our live trading session. I'm on USD Chef. So a minute. Just 1 minute. Okay, I'm beginning. So I hope guys you are live. At least we have a couple of us. So let me share my screen. How do you share me? Oh, here. So we are going live. At least today we'll be able to understand how to basically trade NFP. So let me share my screen. So this is my screen on USD Chef. So I will be with USD Chef. So I already have a sell order. So I entered a bit earlier. So I'm hoping for me, I'm shorting the dollar. And then for NFP, depending with how the claims will be. So we also have gold here. So we also have gold here. Just a minute, guys. Let's use ADX. The ADX is able to measure momentum. So this is another system I'm using. So basically volumes, ADX, and the rest. So I've also borrowed a little bit of BTMM and market makers. You can see the zones. These are the zones. These are the zones. So just give me a minute. My MT4 is hanging. A minute. 2 seconds, guys. Oh, we are back. Oh, yeah. So this is gold. Gold. I have my buy. So as for me, guys, I'm usually a trend trader mostly. So just a minute. Oh, sorry, guys. There we go. Okay, so we'll be waiting now. So we have exactly 24 minutes. This is on gold and this is on USD Chef. So it might shoot down, it might shoot up, depending with how the outcome will be. Let's go to Forex Factory. So I'll just basically be showing you how to trade the news. So first of all, you go to, where is Forex Factory? So Forex Factory should be here. So guys, I hope you're following. Today we're doing a live analysis on NFP and we'll understand how these fundamentals work. So just a minute. So guys, 1 minute. Oh, let me go here. So sorry guys. Oh yeah. So you can see. So I'm using M30 because I'm tracking the next 30 minutes. So we have a couple of maybe 23 minutes before the news happen. Remember, the impact sometimes is felt afterwards. So I can see a pattern. Okay, guys, you can see the pattern has already formed. So this one, at least I am sure we are going down. So I'm not going to add any other order. I'll just have this one. So for me, I'll be basing my trade on both I'll be basing my trade on both gold and the dollar, because basically NFP, we're just knowing what will happen to the dollar. So what is NFP? NFP basically is non-farm payroll. So I think I have it here. So welcome guys. So we're already continuing. So I need to go to, so just a minute guys. I need to go to Forex Factory. Where is Forex Factory? Welcome guys. It's a good one. This will be a good one. We already have a rough idea where we might be headed. So just a minute, guys. I need my calendar. Here's my calendar. Sorry. This is Apple. I was looking at Apple. I've been tracking their stock and what they've been doing for the better part of the year. But those are stocks. So if you're also interested, understand how stocks work, I'm here for you. You guys have my number. You're in the WhatsApp groups and the rest. So 1 minute. I'm opening my calendar so that at least we see what's happening. So meanwhile, we are still on it. So for me, I took it around. Let's see. I'll show you guys. So let's just wait. I think we have less than 20 minutes. So 20 minutes. Where is our calendar? Our calendar is here. So I wanted to explain to you what is non-farm, or basically what we usually call NFP. I hope I'm audible. Let me add my volume. Yeah, I hope I'm audible, guys, and at least you can hear me out, so that at least I share with you a little bit of fundamentals and what we deal with here when it comes to NFP. So you can also ask questions around here by the side. So at least we get started. So what is NFP? So we have less than how many minutes? We still have time. Around 20 minutes now before the main event happen. So I want to explain to you how it works, what it is all about, and how you trade it. Or it's one of the most interesting and very volatile events, because basically we are looking at how many people are employed in the previous month and how many people are unemployed. So basically P is non-farm payroll. You can see here, this is, okay, let me go down. It's a bit up. So this is a site I usually use for checking these fundamentals. So non-farm employment change. So you can see the data here. You need to understand what it's all about. And basically, non-farm employment change or non-farm payroll is the change in the number of employed people during the previous month. Or basically, you are able to understand the people employed versus the people who are not employed in the labor market. Of course, excluding the farming industry. So farming is out of question. So what happens is the Bureau of Labor of Statistics in the US releases this data every first Friday of the month. And basically we are looking to know how many people were employed or how many jobs were added in the previous month. So if, of course, it's the actual usually is greater than. So you'll see the forecast here. Guys, I hope you can see. So you'll see the previous, then we'll have the forecast and the actual. So like last time, and see around 1.3 million payrolls were added. So no, 1.7. So I think Trump was doing a good job, and especially Amazon, I think we're hiring almost 500,000 because of their retail stores. You can see most of the digital companies, they have had a big zoom or a big surge, basically because of COVID. Because now guys mostly are going online. So you can ask questions, by the way, guys. And then if I'm not audible enough, you just let me know. So also kindly mute your speaker because we are waiting. We have less than 15 minutes. We won't take long. So at least you understand. So I was saying there's usually the previous, the forecast, and the actual. So this is the number of people who are employed in the previous month. If this actual usually comes out greater than, of course, if the actual is greater than the forecast, is good for the currency. It will be, of course, a buy. And then if the actual is lesser than the forecast, of course, the opposite will happen, will be a sell. So, and of course, you guys saw the news in the morning, Trump tested positive for COVID. So we're still trying to gauge the sentiment because right now they are facing an election, Biden is there and all that and all that. But for today, we won't talk about that. Let's first deal with NFP here. So 1 minute, guys. Okay, so we are waiting. So I was saying you'll have to check the previous. This is the previous. So the previous was 1.7. So the forecast is 1.3. So you can see there might be a reduction depending with what happened last time. So if this is 1.7 million payrolls, and I'm seeing they're forecasting 1.3. So of course we'll have to wait for the actual number. So now you can see this is 1.3, the 1.3 million. Awesome. Oh, okay. So guys, you can check. Now we are looking at 900K payrolls. So if this number now goes lower, the digit we'll see here, we have to wait at exactly that time. It usually takes less than a minute or even seconds. The moment 330 hits, you have to get that number. So if this number becomes lower than this, of course it will be a big sell. If this number becomes higher than this, of course it will be a buy. So let's check how we are doing. Yeah, you see, I told you guys I short the USD chef, though me I took it quite early. No, this is USD chef. So for me, I'm positioning. That is to mean, let me show you with a longer time frame. So like H4. So this is H4. So you can see So probably I can put my TP around here. So
how many am I going?
I think it's almost 7 pairs. Anything involving the dollar, guys? So probably I can wait. So let me put my probably stop loss. No, I'm not gonna put a stop loss. So the reason I'm not going to put it is because you guys usually know what these guys do. So for me, I'm gonna risk it. I have equity, don't worry. So let me put my TP there. So how much would that be? This is 113 pips.
Yeah, I've entered 18 lots.
So 18 positions. Wow, 18 positions is good. So I'm with my colleague here. We are trading NFP, guys. Join. 15 minutes to go. So, and I was explaining what is NFP. So I hope you're all following.
I'm going to put a SL on USD pairs.
Yeah. So I was saying there's usually a pattern that formed. You can see there's something that looks. Sorry guys, I have so many calls here. So there's a pattern here. I want you to check on M30. M30 that is on USD Chef. And I can see a name that has already formed. So I'm waiting now the breakout to be here around 50. This is using RSI. Wow, that's good. Awesome. So the idea was to get in because it's going to really move. NFP moves at least 900 to 120 pips. That event alone, if it's really moving.
Just be on the right position.
So the idea is you need to get in and get out very fast. So or even use the pending orders. So
yeah,
you can put a buy stop.
Yeah, tell them.
I mean, no, this is a sell stop, not a sell limit.
Because if they spike, let's say goes down, you can put a sell limit. Because if you spike,
yeah. So you can also put a pending orders. Say like.
We should actually even tell them because most of these guys they have small.
Yeah. So
there's no need to tell them that let's do this. That he put a buy and then he doesn't have the margins to take into that. It can dip down kidogo. But if he has a sell limit, he can remain untouched if it goes sideways because we can't predict how NFP is.
Very true.
It has to be announced, and then from there we'll act on it. Okay. But if it's going to spike, those guys that have their stop losses, whatever, like in a fib, they usually go with their fib levels or stomp out.
Awesome.
Most of the guys put their fib levels on stop losses.
Yeah.
So right now, what we need is if someone can enter on those are sell stops, buy limits, sell limits.
Yeah.
If we can have them, I think that would be even better.
Pending orders.
Yeah, pending orders.
So pending orders, if it spikes down, probably I'm putting a buy limit.
I'm sure some guys
if it spikes up, instead of the stop loss, I'm using a sell limit around here. Yeah. So I hope you guys understand about pending orders. I believe you guys are trading. So we are waiting. See, hopefully, and cross our fingers. So also use good risk management, guys. I'll remind you, this is the news. And when you are trading news, you do not want to mess around. So
don't be on the wrong side. And if
don't be on the wrong side of the news, otherwise it's gonna ban you.
If you're very risk averse, don't trade on NFP. Just wait.
Yeah. So also, if you don't have the risk, it's good. At least you wait, because now guys who don't have the risk to be able to trade NFP. So we'll be using M30 and M15. I'm waiting. I want to get in another one. So
look, let's do this.
Just a minute.
I think they need this. If you have $50, $50 to $100, those small accounts, you can do this. Use the pending orders so that at least if it reaches to your level, it shoots down.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
And you'll already be in the money. Then you close. You don't hold, you close. Because the movement it's about to make is going to be similar to that, like maybe on 4 hour. It's going to reflect.
Yeah.
Trust me, there'll be weeks and there will be cries and there will be tears.
So I'm seeing someone asking a question. Awesome. So it's good, guys. I'm waiting. Message, use gold. Oh, you want us to use gold? Yeah, gold is very much here.
Now,
so though I got in a bit early, but I want to get in again. So just wait. Don't be in a hurry. Link, guys. Link to join. You don't have my link? Let me give you my link. A minute, guys. If you're on WhatsApp, I'm sending the link. Philip, send me the link. Check it on the group. There.
Yeah, just
so now have you given the guys on Telegram?
I lost that.
I
lost that phone.
Let me give them. I think I have the group here.
I don't know. I don't think I lost it, but I can't. I don't seem to find it. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it's in the house somewhere.
Okay, so let me. The guys on Telegram, a minute. We have 11 minutes.
Look, let's do this.
11 minutes to go, guys.
Let's do this.
So just a minute.
Let's give them for the categories. Guys, if you're $50 to $100, and then the guys who are like $200.
Minute, guys.
$200 to let's say $400. You see?
Yeah.
Now, because I'm assuming everyone has a small account. For the small accounts, let's look at the stock levels where we can at least.
So
let's tell them.
Guys, I'm gonna use a pending order here.
You can put a sell limit, buy limit.
On gold.
Both ways. In case it spikes.
Oh God, it's going. It's going too fast. Yeah. Or instead, I'll just be buying gold. So I'm buying gold, guys, on 0.05. So then I'm going to go to 0.04. Then on this 0.05, I'm targeting, oh shit, they are about to go. So guys, gold, this is gold. I'm targeting almost, how many pips?
Order.
I can show you, I can see.
NFP.
So that will be my TP.
NFP.
So this is gold. Remember, I had another position trade, so I've just added one. I'm also going to add another one on Audi USD. So remember, I'm trading all the dollars, guys. So 10 minutes.
Look at GBP and
10 minutes to time.
I think it's spiky.
So for me, I'm going in. So whether it goes against me, but this one I think I am sure because I'm using my sentiment. Remember, guys, whether you are buying or you're putting your sentiment on Audi USD, I'm targeting how many pips? This should be 101 pips. That's $50. Gold, I'm targeting, gold will go. Gold, I know will go. So for gold, I'm targeting at least 1950.
What correlates with
gold? Or the dollar. The dollar loses, gold will go up. So now USD card, I'm shorting. This one I already have a sell. I want to add another one, but we wait.
Wait, all your USDs, what?
No, this is USD card. So this one I'm going to add a sell.
For some strange reason, I found USD JPY was on a buy, and USD CHF was a sell.
No, I'm just entering few pips. Remember, guys, don't be greedy. So wherever it shoots, as long as it hits my TP. So this one I'm targeting 26 pips.
The only thing obeying is the GJ. It's buying actually.
Remember, you can also check pairs that do not correlate to the dollar. Because of course, like the pounds, they will move. Minute, guys. Hey, come on, my machine is hanging. Sorry. Now I'm also going to go on New Zealand. Yeah, I've already shown. So, but this one I'll wait.
Did this volume started?
I also have live.
Yeah, put on live. Go live.
I want to say live. Yeah. So guys, I'm logging in the live now. So give me a minute and see how much we are making. So give me a minute for this guy.
Almost. Guys, by the NFP, this is how it happens. It makes your screen look like this. Let me show them.
Yeah, just show them here.
Nice. Okay. See, I have a. It's also.
You know, go on a little bit. Looks
like all of them. That's just the standard NFP. That's how it looks like. These are small accounts. 200. I tried 155. That's 155. That's like 16K, 17K.
So let me show you my live with my phone because of time, guys.
Show them.
Because now we are almost there, and you're not. Time is money in Forex, guys. So let me show you the account is where is here.
Go live. Always use it live.
It's okay, no problem. Because they are learning. We're also learning. So this is where I am. So minutes. Can you guys see? I'm at 269. So I'm at 269. So let's wait. So I hope you guys have your positions ready. So I also have another account. Let me show you one more. Around $3,000. Minute, guys. Or this one. So guys, you can see.
Okay, well, could be a compass you chose this wonderful hairstyle. Please take a step forward.
Sorry, guys. It's a. So you can see it's a live account. So this one is at 335. So those ones are just running around here. Me, I'm watching. So let's wait the next 5 minutes. We have 5 minutes to go for this event. Then we go back to gold. Gold is here. So this is gold. Gold now, I'm tracking it with H4 and moving average 21. So this is usually one of the best moving average, especially it's a simple to be able to see where the trend is going. So do I have minutes? Welcome guys, welcome. Sorry guys. Let me ask guys to mute because we are about to ask all to mute all. So now we are almost there. So you can unmute yourself also. So we are there almost in the next 4 minutes, 4 minutes remaining. So we go back to our Forex factory. So remember we said NFP basically is data that is usually released. It's usually released by the Bureau of Labor Statistics in the US, and we are measuring how many people are employed. Now changing the number of employed people during the previous month, and then during the previous month, changing the number of employed people during the previous month. Basically, we need to know how many people are employed versus how many people are unemployed. So let me close this one because now we need to know the outcome in the next 3 minutes. Guys, 3 minutes. So I hope you are ready. The next 3 minutes, you can test if you're not ready, but also you need good risk management. So we have exactly 3 minutes to go. So 3 minutes now, crossing our fingers. So I'm shorting. I'm hoping now the data that gets out here won't be favorable to the dollar, because if it won't be favorable, of course, it will weaken. So I'm loading. So just a minute, guys. So this has been a slow week, but at least the futures have been moving since Monday. I hope, guys, yen, gold, even pound yesterday, short down, short up, short down. We'll need to discuss what happened on pound. That will be for another day. But for today, we wait for NFP. So NFP.
The craziness that's about to unfold.
Yeah. So you can see now we are waiting.
1 minute, yeah?
2 minutes, 2 minutes. Oh dear Lord, we wait now. So we wait. We have to wait until see the data that's gonna get out of here. But you have to have your charts with you. So I hope you are on your position. Which position have I not taken? Euro USD. Oh God. I have not gotten in Euro USD.
Why?
I need to get in Euro USD right now. So guys, Euro USD, I'm getting in. Remember, I'm using very small lot size. So Euro USD, I'll try and go long for 40, 30, 40 pips. Let's check it with H4 again. Remember my entry, I'm using my entry with so a minute, guys. So that was a buy. Okay, we are back. Remember, sometimes your machine might hang, slippage and all that. So let me add up a little bit, say up to there. Modify.
So we almost. Let the chaos begin.
So 1 minute.
We should have told them,
1 minute. Let's go to gold.
Where we can enter and put pending orders.
Is gold. Gold was here. So I'm on gold. Gold will be guiding me. So if this one goes up, of course the dollar should be shorting. Gold of dollar always correlates to gold. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Okay, let's see. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. It's done. So what was the result? Let's see the result.
Less.
Not yet. So we need the result. What's happening on the market? Can you check?
I can't.
Nothing.
Yeah.
What's happening, guys? Let's check gold. Is it shooting down or shooting up? So if it shoots down, of course, you know, guys, will be hit. But this is normal in the market. So it's at 1909. We wait. So I don't see how it will go down. Let's see. So 1909, or is the market moving, or it has hanged? So we are waiting. So let's go back.
Yeah, okay. You guys can compare from the last time for the September 4th. The actual NFP actual consensus and deviation was negative.
Okay.
The revisions were neutral. Unemployment rate was positive. Labor force participation rate was positive. And the average hourly earnings was also positive.
Okay.
So if you get all of them negative as of from now, what do you think will happen?
Let me see the data. So we need this data, guys.
We had 3 positives,
so
1 negative and a neutral.
How come it's not out yet? Yeah, awesome. Thank you. Can you see it was 661? So now, of course, the dollar should be going down because you can see this was the data I was waiting for. I told you if the outcome or if the forecast here becomes
and that's NFP for you.
Yes. So guys, this is what I wanted you to see. So look at the outcome, 61K, but then the forecast was 900. So I told you if this data goes below this and you can see it's on red, of course the dollar will be losing. Anti-dollars, GU, EU should be all shooting up. So what's happening to the market? Is it moving? Let's check our chart. Oh yeah.
There's something happening. Something else is happening.
I need to see with my phone because Shin is also. So guys, I hope you're in. Are we good? Yeah, awesome. So this is me here. I'm at $339. So at least this has been almost 20 or 25% this week. So it's been a good run. This is USD card. USD card, guys, I got him. And at least you can be able to see. So you can ask question, guys. We have 10 minutes remaining for our event for today. So I short USD card. At least let me show you with my charts here. I bought, yeah, awesome. Yeah. Oh, someone made money with gold. Awesome. Someone bought. So someone made some good money with gold. You can see, guys. Yeah, that's good. Congrats. Awesome. At least it was a good Friday.
$68. He put a lot size of one.
$168 with the lot size of one. Hey, man, that's on another level. So, guys, this is Forex. We make money, we have fun. So, but at the end of the day, first of all, we make money. You need to make as much money as possible and
but this was a pending order. This was a pending order.
Well, check the price. Check the price he entered with. So
he made a clean $207.
So let me check my trades.
Yeah, you see. Let me pause. I should pause on that.
Okay. So let me see what's happening to my.
Wait, if you're in the group, G7, najua mmoja mko hapa mmenitumia hii.
Yeah. So scalpers, everyone, you should always know the trend is your friend. So
there's someone in this group. I don't know his name. What is his name?
So guys, the trend will always be your friend. So you have to know that if you do not know how the trend is working, you don't know the manipulations, you don't know anything, you'll always be losing. So I usually, you can see I told you I sold this one. So this one I'm going to wait. This is USD card, and but I'll be tracking it on H1. Then we go to USD Chef. So USD Chef on H1. So this one I'm still shorting it. So this one I'm holding it. So you can see the pattern. It looks like an M. So these patterns always form, and they are formed on the daily highs and lows, so that they trick you. The trend is about to change, but in the real sense, the trend does not change. So the idea is to stop out as many people as possible, and also, of course, as many people as possible to lose.
He put his TP at 1911.
Yeah, 1911. So gold, guys. I also gave guys signal on gold yesterday. If you're in my WhatsApp group, I think I told you guys gold will hit. Oh, can't hear you. Oh, can't hear you. So we go long, right? Oh, guys, you can't hear me. No. My speaker is on. My at 100%.
So what are you shorting right now? Are you shorting?
So right now they seem to be retracing, but the trend won't change because, of course, it's an outcome. It's a long-term thing. It's because that result will affect the market greatly. So
yeah, shout out to Moha.
Can you hear me? Just ask them if they can hear me.
Yeah, shout out to Moha. That's a clean 20K you just made.
Good. So, but it didn't move much. So I should be visible. Yeah, can you hear me now, guys? Oh, awesome. Okay, good. So this is gold. So for gold, I'm tracking it with H4. Remember, I told you the moving average. You can see the candles are bouncing.
Okay, guys, with NFP, as I was saying, there'll be a lot of wicks. No, it's okay.
It's okay.
So as I said, with NFP, for the initial first moments, you'll see a lot of
movement. Yeah.
So please, just make sure if you're going to trade on that timeline of the 1 minute with higher, bigger position or lot sizes.
Yeah.
Please make sure you're on the right sides.
Yeah.
The right side, rather.
Yeah. Also, use good risk management. The idea is not how much you're making, but how much you lose.
Yeah.
So how much are you willing to lose? So if you're willing to lose $50, just a little bit of $50. If you're willing to, this is USD Chef. So you can see, so I'm using M30. So I wanted to show you guys the trend. This is one of my favorite pairs together with the pound. So, but for this week, because they are having issues with Brexit, I've been away. Politics are really big. So this month, we are looking at US election and Brexit. Those are the big two politics or big two countries we are facing. And they're some of the two biggest economies we are looking at. So as I was saying, basically I'm trending. Let me use H1 so that you can be able to see. So yeah, this is H1. And you can see where I put my sell. So I enjoy shorting the dollar. So it's usually so much fun because, of course, that time now I'm buying gold. So this is gold.
Guys, in case one thing you've never noticed, like the real chaos will begin later on towards midnight.
Yeah.
That's when now you'll see from 8 p.m. towards 11 p.m. Now when you're going to start seeing like the actual effects of NFP now.
Yeah. So give it time. So the reason I'm long on gold was because you can see this was a big consolidation. The pattern formed here, it shot down. There was another pattern shot down, retracement shot down. Then this became my strong support. So this was my strong support around this area. So around this area, this was my strong support, 1851. So around 1848. So it never went back. Then you can see it formed the W again. Guys, you can see the W formed. So that's why I am trending. For me, I'm trending gold. At least I'm hoping it might go back to 1950 or at least, let's see, 1940. The first target I'm targeting is 1940. I told guys at least 1900. So if you're a day trader or scalper, the idea is you get in, capture your few pips and you are out. So and then for this USD Chef now, as I've told you, USD Chef, I'm looking at it as the way I'm looking at the USD index. So this is the USD index, guys. Sorry, this is another system I'm testing here. So So just a minute, guys. So 1 minute, guys. So we have 3 minutes of time. So I think so I'll be updating you guys on the analysis of what is happening with Trump and how the market will be able to shape its sentiment. Sorry, guys. Oh my God. The machine is a bit slow. Sorry. So any questions, guys? We have 2 minutes. Ask me questions now before I leave for my weekend. And I think I can call it a very, very good week. So this week, at least I've managed almost 25%. It has been a good week. But of course, there are good weeks, there are bad weeks. We had sell-off for 4 weeks. So I sold the last week, got around 45K, then I was out. So now this week I was more or less buying most of them because I had presumed that the dollar will go down because of the election and all this that is happening.
Dude, Trump has COVID.
Yeah, so now Trump having COVID, that is bad news. Link to WhatsApp group. Do you have the link? Oh my God. Hey, message me so that I add you, Mutegi, so that we usually have a WhatsApp group, around 3 or 4 of them. So at least that's where we dialogue and don't have your number. Okay, let me message you or privately. So that's my number, 787234862. Text me Mutegi on WhatsApp. We'll add you there. 234862. So we have 1 minute of added time. So thanks guys for agreeing to enjoy or participate in this event, NFP. So let's see the outcome. So let me minimize this. So the outcome of NFP for 2nd of October 2020 was 661 jobs. So only 661 jobs were added. So that is to mean businesses are trying to get back post-COVID levels. We are still trying to deal with Corona and all this. So of course, people are still not very confident with spending and getting out. So this is why this number came out the way it is. So you can see when the average hourly earnings, the forecast was 0.1%. I mean, the actual was 0.1%, the forecast was 0.5%. The non-farm was 661, and the forecast was 900K. So that means things are steady. Also, guys are going back to work from home, most of them, because of the COVID era and all. So this is the reason. So for now, the dollar, we'll be keeping an eye on the dollar, guys, as we